Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about illustrates and verifies relation and functions using mapping, graphs, tables, and sets. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends. And hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And finally, please do not skip the ads in this video. Thanks! And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about illustrates and verifies relations and functions using mapping, graphing, tables, and sets. Activity 1. So we have the following sets. So we have A equals the set of -3 and -4, -2 and 5, -1 and 5, and 0 and 6. For B, meron tayong -2, 5, 0, 5, 2, 5, 4, 5. For C, we have 0, 3, 0, 6, -2, -4, -4, -5, and D equals 1, 0, 0, 1, -1, 0, and 0, -1. So for the first activity, list down all the first and second coordinates of each set of ordered pairs and draw arrows, including the different pairings, and plot the given set of ordered pairs. So let's do the first one, the letter A. For the letter A, we have four sets, no? So let's start with set A. For set A, ang gagawin lang natin is pagsasama-samayin natin sa isang ellipse or oblong yung mga x natin, which is -3, -2, -1, and 0. For the next oblong, pagsasamahin lang natin yung -4, 5, 5, and 6. As you can see, isang beses lang sinulat si 5. Kasi hindi natin pwedeng isulat yung repeating numbers. For letter B, we have -2, 0, 2, and 4. And also, we have 5. For letter C, we have 0, -2, and -4. And for letter D, for the next oblong is 3, 6, -4, -5. And finally, for letter D, we have 1, 0, -1. And we have 0, 1, -1. After that, sabi dito is draw an arrow showing the different pairings. So for -3, ang partner niya is -4. So ilagay muna natin. For -2, ang partner niya dito is 5. -1, 5. And 0, 6. So letter B naman lahat kay 5. So letter C, we have 0, 3, 0, 6, -2, -4, and -4, -5. Ito yan, di ba? And for letter D, we have 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, -1, and -1, 0. The question now is, which among the following is not a function and is a function? So let's have this one. Letter A is a function. B is a function. C is not a function and D is not a function. What do you think is the reason why A and B is a function and C and D are not functions? So let's see. No? Based on the definition of function, a function is a set of ordered pairs xy such that no two distinct members have the same first element. Balikan natin ang ating figure. This one is a function kasi walang repeating dito. First element dapat ay walang repeating. This one is a function because wala rin repeating na arrow. For this one, it is not a function because 0 repeats twice. For this one again, 0 repeats twice, so this is not a function. No matter how many times mag-repeat ang y, we don't care. We just care about this x, this range of x. Okay? Now, so we already defined what is a function. Now let's define what is a relation. A relation shows the relationship between the input and the output. A function is a relation in which no two ordered pairs have the same first element. All functions are relations, but not all relations are functions. How can I easily recognize a relation and a function? Relation can be represented or illustrated in different ways, such as tables of values, rule, mapping diagram, set of ordered pair, and a graph. Let us discover how to illustrate the function using each of the different ways. So I already presented to you a mapping. Now let's have this one. Plot the given of the set of ordered pairs. So let's say ito yung mga graph nila, no, ng A, B, C, and D. Now the question is, which among these graphs is a function and not function? Letter A is a function. Letter B is a function. C is not a function and D is not a function. What do you think is the reason that why A and B are functions and C and D are not functions? Do you have any idea? The reason is we can use this what we call the vertical line test. A graph in a function if any vertical line drawn passing through the graph intersect the graph at exactly one point. So kapag gumawa daw tayo ng line na vertical line sa graph at walang 2 points na nag-touch, siya ay function. For B, wala ring nag-touch, siya ay function. For C, nung ginawa ko yan, may 2 points na nag-touch. So, not function. For this one, this is not a function. Did you get it? Now, more activities. Let's have this one. Is it a function or not function? The answer is function. Because 1, 2, 3, 4 arrows did not repeat. How about here? Correct. Not function because 1 repeats twice. How about here? By the way, we can also represent a function using a table. So in the table, the secret to determine if it is a function or not is to look for the first row. If there's a number that repeats here, that is not a function. If there's no repetition of numbers, that is a function. For this example, this one is a function. How about the next one? Very good. 2 repeats twice, so therefore not function. The next. Very good. -4 and -2 repeat twice, so therefore not function. How about this one? Determine if it is a function or not. Correct. It is a function. Next. Correct. It is a not function because 2 repeats twice. This one. Correct. It is a function. How about this one? By the way, it is a set. Okay? A set is a group of ordered pairs or elements. So this one, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, and 5, 7. Is it a function or not? To check, what we're going to do is, okay, I revealed the answer. It's a function. Why? We will look for the first, for the x coordinate of each ordered pairs. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Meron bang nag-repeat? Wala. So therefore, it is a function. Number 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, and 5, 7. Is it a function or not? Function. 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7. Function or not? Not function because 1 repeats twice. So that's all about illustration and verification of relation and function using mapping, graphing, tables, and sets. With that, I hope you learned something from this day, and thank you very much.